Take it easy, please. Sorry, calm down.
Okay, easy now.
Jesus, easy. Small.
Solo, my pikin. Hey.
Mama.
Oh.
Mama,
Hey, thank you. Sorry. Okay, you take a easy. They pain now.
Stop, please be careful.
Sorry, you don't chop. Sorry.
Madam.
Sorry.
See your pikin get local.
God.
If to say when the thing happen, if shift go back, if for no enter. As I come, the shift go front. I made this leg.
Hey, my name is man, you will not see my pikin. They don't go see my pikin. No, my name is at work. Hey, Solo. Sorry, my pikin. Sorry.
Take a seat.
Take, drink. Sorry, yeah. Sorry. Hey, bitter. Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry,
Madam. Now one person. I go follow and sleep here.
Okay, no problem.
The other person will go house.
That'll not be problem.
All right.
Thank you, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Grateful.
Thank you.
Thank
my
you.
pikin though. Where you? May you come dey go as yeah? Make I deal with my pikin. Yeah? Mama, I don't understand though. You are the one that is just coming from the village. You want to go home and rest. After all, you met me here. I'm capable of taking care of him. I can take care of him. Mama, go and rest. Hey! Hold on there. You know how they carry this pikin come this life? Now you're picking, now you born am. What's be your problem, this pikin? What's your problem? Pikin we are carrying from my belly for good 9 months. Pikin we weigh 4.8 kg. What's be your problem, this girl? You dey tell me say now so you want to take care of my pikin. Now you want to take care of the pikin where I born. I don't blame you. Now because I never you never fit carry pikin before. That be your problem. Mama, beg, don't say that to me again. I don't like it. Mama, I'm not barren. Look at me, I'm very fruitful. If not for Solo, he's very useless and he's not ready. Did I say that I've not gotten pregnant for him before? What's that? And you're saying you carried him for 9 months. Mama, look at this full-grown man. I carry him every day, every morning, every night, whenever I want it. Look at him. He's weighing 120. I mentioned 4.8 kg. Just mere 4.8. This one is weighing 120. That is a bag of beans and a half. Oh. That's what I carry every day. And you're telling 9 months, 4.8 kg. Mama, don't tell me that. Oh, please go home. That's what you're talking about. It's one piece. Now one piece of Solo. One piece of Solo now enter your body. Oh. One piece of Solo now enter your body. Now full grown man. I come out from in between my two legs. Now in between my two legs, full grown man. I come out. You know the pain where I go through. You know the pain? What your Igbo they call contraction. My waist everywhere pain me. Where they push this pikin till now. This car see the way they stitch me. Mama, that one now once now. It's not once he came out. He came out just once. I carry him every night for 5 years. He goes in, come out, goes in, come out anytime, any day he likes it. They're saying that has not in. This one when he's done, I have to go to the kitchen, boil water, and massage myself so everything will calm down. You're telling me that's not in. He just beard for 10 minutes. 5 years. I massage you, I press it. Mama, please don't tell me rubbish. Please be going. How was that? Solo, you say woman where you never put for us. You say woman where you never marry. Solo, you not gonna marry this girl. You not gonna marry him. I be your mama and when I talk, now I go stand. See this pikin when no even get character. You don't get character. Hey! Mama, you have done your part as his mother. Allow me to do my own now as his woman now. Mama, I don't like this so. Mama, you want to call me and be forming Akimi's mother? For your information, Solo doesn't have a property. He has nothing. Pain. Solo doesn't have. So I don't know why you are doing all this. Mama, please go home. Go and sleep. Go and rest. You're just coming back from the village. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. This is pikin wey suck my breast for good 3 years. Good 3 years. I don't blame you. Now you they come back and they drag my own pikin with me. You say 3 years. Mama, 5 years, look at it. If you take left in the morning, you enter right. If you not like in the afternoon, you will squeeze both of them together and suck. Mama, respect yourself, oh. I'm respecting you, Mama, oh. I'm just respecting you. No, my pikin. Not be your fault. Not be your fault. I believe say one day, you two, you go born your own. You go born your own, you go get daughter-in-law. Your pikin go carry person call her say he want marry. And I go see how you go feel. If that pikin talk to you or insult you the way you did they insult me today. Remember, what goes around comes around.
One expert and FC Barcelona have launched a super offer, House of the Barca. that let you win many prizes if you bet on FC Barcelona matches. Register on 1xBet with my promo code PillsBet. Press the take part button on the offer page. Collect at least 10 tickets to take part in the main prize draws, and between 1 and 9 tickets to enter the incentive prize draws on the promo page. Oshe?